is one of 4 1-to-6 editions left in the United States, and this one is one of 1 because of what Baron Mini has done to make this car even more unique. And in this video, we are going to dive in to this vehicle and show you all the changes they made to make this car even more special than it already is. For starters, in the interior, we have the digital dash, of course, but when you come over here, we have Mini connected Apple CarPlay, 8.8-inch touchscreen, navigation, all the bells and whistles. We have the unique dash trim that you saw in my previous video on the 1-to-6 edition. We have the head-up display that you saw in the 1-to-6 edition. We have the manual transmission, which is amazing. The Dynamica interior, which is amazing. The panorama sunroof, which is amazing. Of course it is. But it's what's outside this vehicle that makes it even more special. And that is the fact that this one's been modified with some unique upgrades to make it even more rare. You might be able to recognize some of them just from what you're seeing in the video. The car sits a little lower. That is because it is on the JCW Pro Coilover suspension kit. And it gives it a really nice, really stanced look. And that stance is because it also has 13mm wheel spacers on it from ECS Tuning, which bring those wheels out, give them a nice flush look. If we come around to the back of the car, you'll notice some very unique tailpipes. These are hybrid tailpipes. They use Cooper S black tailpipes combined with carbon fiber oversized finishers on top to give them a really unique look, and there is not a single JCW in the country that will have these tailpipes. On top of that, you'll see it has the Pro exhaust. There's the valve, which I didn't know was right there. That's interesting. You'll also notice they added some extras with the vinyl. Instead of just the standard 1-to-6 edition stripe, they added a chili red going up the side with the 1-to-6 edition logo right here. And the overall look is really cool. This just really looks nice. Now you also might notice that the camber is a little different. Now why is that? Well, that's because they have Silver Project camber plates on this as well. And nice set, what are they set to? I don't know. I think it's about 1.5. But it gives it enough camber that it really makes it look good. And of course, the 228 horsepower engine, making this car an even more fun vehicle to drive around in. The overall look is really nice. It is just a really well done special edition, and even the red stripe continuing up over the roof makes it look even cooler. If I'm not mistaken, I think that red stripe signals something for all of you out there who might know a little bit about some of the JCWs at Baron Mini. And that is that they sometimes create special edition ones with Pro suspension, Pro exhaust, a few little tweaks here and there, and then they call them the Red Stripe Racers. So this one is probably one of the more recent Red Stripe Racers. Whoever buys this car is really getting something cool. I was told there's probably about $6,000 in upgrades done to this vehicle, but the sales manager said he's cutting that in half for whoever buys this car. So if you're in the market for a John Cooper Works 1-to-6 edition or even a manual, there's only 4 left in the country, but there's only one like this.